How to fix Epic Games offline mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the offline status issue on the Epic Games launcher. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, close the Epic Games launcher and after that, simply click on the search bar and from here simply search for Epic Games launcher. And here, once you have searched for it, at the right hand side of the menu, you can see the option labeled as Open File Location. So simply click on that. And here, once you click on that, and now here, once you have opened it, simply modify the shortcut target. So here in File Location windows, so simply right click on the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and select Show More option. And after that, on the new pop-up, simply click on Properties. And now here, once the Properties pop-up has been opened, simply click on the target field. So here, go to the end of the text and here simply press the following command. So here, just type underscore http equals to net and here simply click on apply. And after that, if prompted, just confirm the administrator permissions and adjust the compatibility settings still in the properties window to switch to compatibility style. So here just check run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 7 from the drop down. And here also check run this program as an administrator and after that simply click on apply and then OK to save the changes. And now you can just go ahead and open the Epic Games launcher. And here it should now connect online properly instead of showing the offline status. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.